This is an old-time favorite song about a ship long time ago. Came up to Kapaa Channel and got stuck, shipwrecked. And the ship's name was Maki. And it was right there out on the reef in Kapaa. Right behind the library now we stay. You know, the new police station, substation, right on that reef. And you know what? It's so exciting that this ship got shipwrecked. They wrote a song about it. How's that? They used to write about, exciting events. And this was a happening event in Kapaa one day. The Maki got stuck on the reef. So we're gonna bring to the stage the babies of the Papamilia. They're so ready. Look at that. Doing for you, Hula O Maki. Ahera ihone, la o maki, ahata